Have you ever heard of Bitwise Asset Management? Well, let me tell you a fascinating story about this prominent crypto index fund. Recently, they found themselves in a rather normal, peculiar situation that required them to clarify their association with another company called Bitwise Industries. You see, Bitwise Industries and its founders, Irma Algwin Jr. and Jake Soverel, were hit with some serious charges by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC club accused them of wire fraud and misleading investors, allegedly gathering a whopping $100 million in funding despite the failing state of their business model. These allegations involve falsifying documents to deceive investors, a grave offense in the financial world. Now, here's where things get interesting. Bitwise Asset Management, completely unrelated to Bitwise Industries, got caught up in the confusion. People mistakenly use Bitwise Asset Management's logo when discussing the charges against Bitwise Industries. It was a case of mistaken identity causing quite a stir. To clear the air and distance themselves from the controversy, Bitwise Asset Management took swift action. They released a statement emphasizing that they have no connection whatsoever with Bitwise and Industries. They made it crystal clear that they are America's largest crypto index fund and have never had any ties with the now defunct technology company based in Fresno, California. But that's not all. Bitwise Asset Management has had its own share of issues with the SEC in the past. However, they are not ones to back down easily. In fact, they are part of the applicants for a spot Bitcoin ETF, which is yet to be approved by the SEC, and they have some academic insights to challenge the SEC's stance. You see, the SEC has been hesitant to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs due to concerns about the interplay between the Bitcoin futures and spot markets. They claim that the no academic view on this issue is mixed and inconclusive, but Bitwise Asset Management begs to differ. They recently filed an amendment through NYSERDA, offering a counter-argument to the SEC's concerns. They reviewed all 11 of the SEC's disapproval orders and presented academic research to clarify the relationship between the markets. Their analysis consistently indicates that the Chicago Mercantile Exchange futures market leads in price discovery over the spot market, contradicting the SEC's apprehension about market manipulation. And Bitwise Asset Management's efforts to challenge the SEC's stance are backed by extensive engagement with the SEC staff over nearly 2 years. They even have a detailed 107-page white paper to support their claims of a more resilient Bitcoin market than what the regulator perceives. So there you have it. Bitwise Asset Management, a crypto index fund, finding itself entangled in a case of mistaken identity, and then boldly challenging the SEC's stance on spot Bitcoin ETFs. It's quite a roller coaster ride for them, but they are determined to make their mark in the crypto world. And now for a little joke to lighten the mood, why did the cryptocurrency go to therapy? Because it had some serious blockchain issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.